Today I would like to tell one of the famous interview questions which I was faced in one of the startup is like he has given one string. So what he wants, he wants to print the character who is repeating more than 2 times or 3 times. Basically, he wants duplicate the in duplicates elements which are present in the string. So approach is very simple. Like he has given this input, the input is A, B, C, C, D. So he wants the element which occur more than 2 times. So A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 3. But here if you see, D is only one time. So we didn't want to print D. We only want to print the duplicate values. So the approach is very simple. Like if you go with hash map, the hash map thing is, so logic is very simple for this one. Like what we will do, like when we go to any shopping mall, like one person is a collector, we will check like what things we have buy, like how many numbers of apples you buy, mangoes, and other pineapples, how many you have buy, we will check, and he will tell the amount for that one. So same way here in the map also same thing we are doing. We are just checking like how many times occur, how many times. So what I am doing here, A, B, C, this logic is here. So what I am doing, if map contain this A, then I am incrementing this value to 1. Otherwise, I am assigning normal 1 value. Means like, if it is not present, then we are considering, okay, it is 1. One time it is occur. So same way, like same A, B, C, we are doing same thing. Just I will explain you in a practical way how you can get that one. So here first I will check with, first I will check with A. So if you see A, A will come to here, map dot contains string value is A. So A is not present. Else, what will assign value to 1? The A value should be 1 now. Second time, A is there. So A already present in the map. Like A is equal to 1. A is present. So what we will do? We will increment A value with 1. So we will increment this value to 2. Here the value is 2. Now B. Now we will go to map. Map contains B. No, it not contained. So value it will assign by default is 1. Now it will go to C. C contains no. It will assign value to 1. Here 1 is there. Now it will go to A. A is already present. A occurred 2 times. So what we have to do? If it is present, then we will increment this value to 3. Oh here 3. Now it will check B. B is already present. B1 is there. So what we have to do? We need to increment with 1. World. Make it 1. Sorry, 2. Make it 2. Now it will check C. C is already present. What we have to, as per this logic, C value we need to increase by 1. 1 is this one. Okay, let's go. Now C is already there. Then we need to once again increment this value to 3. Over here, that will become 3. Now another string is there. Is D. Here D is there. B. So D occur. D is not present in the map. Then we assign value to 1. So now D value is 1. Now I think you got to know all the flow, how it is working. Just we will see in practical way how we can achieve this one. So approach is very simple for this one. We have used one array. We use string this A, B, C, D, this one, and hash map we have, and we are converting this string to array. So simple is we need to use for each loop because we want this one to continue to loop after A, B, C, D. So we need to use for loop. So we are using for each loop C. Then C1 I am using. Now what we have to do here, we need to assign this one. If the logic which I show you, same logic you need to use here. Map contains the value. Then we need to increment. Same way with here map count is there. Map count dot contains key. What is the key here? C. Right? If map contains that value, then what we have to do? We need to increment this down. Map count dot put. We need to use put. We need to put C is there obviously. Then the map count we need to get that value. Map dot get that value. Get that value. What is that? C. And we need to increment this value with 1 plus 1. Simple. Plus 1. Else part I have explained you like in else part. If we didn't find the value in the map, in else block we are assigning to 1. With this row it will be. So in this way, like we are able to find the frequency and everything. But we need to print this one. We need to check. But in our case, what is the scenario is like we need to print only duplicates value, not a unique value. This thing we need to print because the value which is more than one time, we need to print. So the thing is, the approach is very simple. For loop we need to use for map dot entry map dot entry comma entry here. Map dot entry is equal to hold on, we need to use map count is there, map count dot entry set. But here one thing is there, what we want to print, we need to get the value. If value is greater than 2, then only if what is this entry? Yeah. Entry dot get value greater than 2, then only we need to print the key value. But problem is like this integer got get value is in object. So object we need to do typecasting. We know how to do the int. We need to use it is typecast. If it is greater than 2 or greater than 1, then we need to print this one. She sort then what we need to get entry dot get key. That's how quotes that's entry dot get value. Now save this now. You can see A, B, C. We are not able to see the D here. It is like a simple way to write the logic. Thanks for watching.